Mama's over here doing all this stuff. I'm taking. You ready to get on the road, honey? I just saw a bit of the stuff that's in the car. I'm not even going to show you the trunk because I'm not stupid head. Because the trunk is stuffed. We ready?
Hi.
We'll do this again because I filmed this one time and then already didn't have it going. I filmed it and didn't have it recording. I thought I did, but I didn't. Got all the mileage reset, like a trip meter reset. I got the fuel mileage reset, so I'll know exactly how far we went and exactly what kind of mileage we got. This thing is stuffed all the way to the rafters. Yeah. And we even got like the back. It's just like stuff shoved in there, and then push it and then shut the trunk real quick. Just shove it in. All right, let's go.
But after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us. There's a first for everything, like a hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain.
Here she comes, we can go again. I like her. She's good.
She would be the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave.
Rachel, you gonna try getting in some water again? Yeah, it smells terrible. Yeah, I guess these are grease traps right here or something. Lord almighty. There y'all. You want to grab the water thing up? No, it's not licking the ground time. Come on, let's go.
But now it's time to go our separate ways. There's a first for everything, like a hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become.
Yeah, I don't know where we're staying tonight, to be honest with you. Because we've had to stop and pee about 75 times. I've been drinking a lot of water, we both have, but it just makes you have to pee a lot. So, and every time you stop, it's, you know, we got to get him out and make sure he's all taken care of. So it's a solid 15-minute stop every time. Well, if you do that 5 times, that adds 5 hours and 15 minutes at least. And I know it's been more than that. There's that little baby. Hi, yeah, that was right in my ear. I really heard you do that. If you've never gotten convenience store catfish, let me tell you a little story about it.
You should have.
Hold on. I'm trying to open it. Grocery store catfish is covered up. It's magnificent. I've never had catfish out of one of these places that was not good. It's always magical. So we're gonna take off again and see how far we got to get before it's tinkle time. Because good gravy.
Yeah, because we're drinking a lot of water too.
It's so much.
It,
All right, let's get on the
we're
road.
getting hydrated.
Oh no, we're doing that, but I'm staying dehydrated because of all the. I might as well just take the water and pour it on the ground. Yeah. All right. Well, we have been driving through some weather, my Lord. Like, that stuff doesn't even bother me. And we were going, I wasn't going over 45. I don't do that. It was just pouring, going through Crossit. Come here. Come here. Hold on. Let me take this off of you. Go potty. Going through Crossit, Arkansas, and it just It was a lot of rain is what I'm saying. And let this boy do his stuff. He hasn't pooped all day. I think because every time we stop, it's too, I'm trying to shut this gate here, and this is quite a situation. There we go. Every time we've stopped, there's been too many sniffs for him, too many smells, too much stuff to get excited about. Still hasn't drunk anything. I don't know what's going on. I know he's weird, so there's that. I'm trying to talk louder so you can hear me because I don't have the mics on. Yeah, we're not making it to Columbus tonight. I don't know where we're gonna stop. We'll stop where we stop, but Columbus isn't gonna make it. But we'll make it into Mississippi though, because it's like 13 minutes away. We actually stopped here before. I don't know if you can see that black truck over there. That's where we stopped last time we were here. Like literally right there. That's where we were parked and let him do all his stuff. Finally! I would show you. Everybody's seen a dog poop, but he always has to find the weirdest areas to do it in. I don't get it. Anyway, we're gonna get back on the road and do the thing. Come on, buddy. Looks like I'm in an inferno, sitting in the drive-thru here in Columbus, Mississippi, at Burger King, and the car in front of me has their tail lights on, their brake lights on, and it was really shining. Let me do this real quick.
How you doing today,
Doing
sir?
fine. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing wonderful.
I guess you have a drink carrier for these, do you?
I do.
Do you?
Would you like one?
Please do. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. You gonna need any ketchup today?
Yes, please.
All right. Hand that back to you.
I
I put
appreciate
that one on
that.
that side instead of on the same because
Okay.
I kind of little and sturdy. I didn't want it to spill.
No,
out.
I really do appreciate it. The only thing that sucks about traveling is you can't have decent food. You can, but I'm tired. I'm tired of driving through storms all day and driving, getting behind funeral processions. And, good Lord, it was a busy day. We made it to the hotel. Run this back. We're gonna chill for the rest of the evening. Probably. Who knows what the night has in store?